Who said you need an oven to whip up some delicious sweet treats? Welcome to a culinary wonderland where the magic happens without any baking. Today, we're taking a delectable detour to explore the fun and simplicity of creating no-bake treats. Imagine mouth-watering goodies that you can easily craft with your own hands, sparking creativity while satisfying that sweet tooth. No oven? No problem at all. So, are you ready to create some oven-free magic? Buckle up for a sweet kitchen adventure. Before we start, gather all the ingredients we need. Don't worry, they're all easy to find. We'll need sweet dates, crunchy graham crackers, smooth almond butter, honey for a touch of natural sweetness, and chocolate chips for that irresistible chocolatey goodness. Don't forget vanilla extract for a dash of flavor, and a pinch of sea salt to balance the sweetness. Each ingredient is a superstar, bringing its unique taste and texture to our no-bake treats. Got everything? Great! Now the real fun begins. Now, follow closely as we dive into the delightful process of creating these treats. First, let's start with our scrumptious no-bake cookie balls. Grab a bowl and mix together 2 cups of oats, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of peanut butter, and half a cup of honey. Stir everything together until the mixture is nice and smooth. Once you've done that, roll the mixture into small balls and place them on a tray lined with baking paper. Pop the tray into the fridge and let the cookie balls chill for about an hour. Voila! You've just made your first no-bake treat. Next up is our delicious fruit and yogurt parfait. Start by grabbing your favorite glass or cup. Then, layer in some granola, followed by a generous dollop of yogurt, and then a layer of your favorite fruits. You can use strawberries, blueberries, or even bananas. Keep layering until your cup is full, and then top it off with a sprinkle of granola for that extra crunch. And there you have it, a delightful, healthy, no-bake treat. Last but not least, let's make our mouth-watering chocolate peanut butter bars. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of peanut butter, half a cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once that's all mixed, add in 2 cups of crushed graham crackers and stir until everything is well combined. Press this mixture into a baking dish. Then, melt 2 cups of chocolate chips and spread it over the top of the peanut butter mixture. Let it chill in the fridge for an hour or 2. Once it's set, cut it into bars. And just like that, you have a delicious no-bake chocolate peanut butter bar. See how easy that was? And we didn't even need an oven. Now that we have our tasty treats, it's time to let your imagination run wild. Picture this. You're an artist and your canvas is these delicious no-bake treats. You can sprinkle them with colorful confections, drizzle them with a river of melted chocolate, or dust them with a snowfall of powdered sugar. Perhaps you fancy turning your treats into little characters. Use fruits, nuts, and candies to give them eyes, a nose, and a cheeky grin. Or maybe you're a fan of patterns. Zigzags, polka dots, lines, or swirls. The choice is yours. Let's not forget about the presentation. Arrange your treats on a plate in a fun shape or stack them up like a tower. You can even create a scene, like a garden of sweet delights. Unleash your culinary creativity. And remember, there are no rules here. The kitchen is your playground, and these treats are your playmates. Remember, there's no right or wrong in creativity. It's all about having fun. Wow, look at what you've created. No-bake treats are not only delicious, but also so much fun to make. Together, we embarked on a delightful culinary journey, exploring the magic of the kitchen in a whole new way. From gathering the ingredients to mixing them up, to shaping and decorating, every step was an adventure. We proved that you don't need an oven to whip up tasty treats. And remember those handy tips we shared? They surely made the process easier and safer. The best part, of course, was letting our creativity fly high. Decorating our treats was a blast, wasn't it? And the smiles when you tasted your own creation, priceless. So, what are you waiting for? There's a world of no-bake treats out there, waiting for your touch of creativity. Thanks for joining this kitchen adventure. Don't forget to share your creations and keep exploring the wonderful world of no-bake treats.